Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to export video in Premiere Pro. Once you're done editing your video, you can simply hit Ctrl M on your keyboard or just go to the Export tab at the top left part of Premiere. Once you're here, you can change the file name and you can change the location as well by clicking on it and selecting the folder where you want to save your video in. For the preset, let's set it to adaptive high bitrate, and for the format, make sure that it is set to H.264 because it will save our video as an MP4, which is a common video format. Now let's expand the video section right here, hit more, and click on maximum render quality. And once you have set everything up, just click on the export option at the bottom right and it will export immediately with the current settings, and you can find it on the location where you saved it. And that is how you can basically export video in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.